Hey you, today I'm going to be doing a product review of these beautiful brush pens by Craftgram, and as you can see, it has these beautiful colors, has a nice brush tip, and as usual I have to try it on my hand instead of the paper. Check this out, look at that beautiful color, and it remains true to the color. I like that. So let's do some color swatches here. Sorry about that. I want to mix this with some water to see how it goes, and I like it. All right. So you could apply this the way that I did that first swatch, and you could also mix it with with water to give it that watercolor effect. Let's do some more color swatches, only because I just want you guys to see how beautiful these colors are and how saturated. It's really nice. Let me fast forward this. There you go. And you get 20. I think they sell them for $16 or $15 on Amazon. But look at these beautiful colors. They're like kind of jewel tone. I really like that. Let's do some more swatches right here. Right there in its purest form. And I pressed too hard on the water pen, and let me just fade this out then and see how this comes out. I like it. It's coming out pretty cool. I want to do a wet on wet to see if I could get an ombre effect. And yeah, you can see how it's getting darker. It looks really pretty. I like that. And just play with it some more. Okay, let's get the yellow and the orange here. I want to do the tip to tip technique. Here we go. I'm adding the darker color to the lighter color to get that two-tone effect. And yeah, it works. You get the orange right there at the beginning. You could see it. And it looks pretty nice. I'm going to try the same thing with these two colors, or better yet, let me just see how the blending on this goes. And it goes beautifully. I like that. I want to write on top of this one. It's dry and it doesn't bleed like others do. And that's a big plus for me when creating art. I don't know about you. Let's do some color mixing right here. I try to mix with the similar colors because I want to see if I could create some different colors and how well it blends. And I really like the way it's blending with the pink one. Let me just pull this down right here, and yeah, get this orange. Oh, I'm dragging some of that red out, and it's creating a new color. That's a big plus right there too. So I'm pretty satisfied with this, yeah. Okay, now let's do some painting, and I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to draw right now. I'm just going to let it flow, create a mess, have fun with it. I've always said my life motto is do what you love and love what you do. There's no bigger satisfaction than that. And I'm just going to make sure I cover this complete page. And because I just want to create a background, it doesn't matter how, if I'm going horizontal or vertically with it. I just want to see what comes out. I'll just keep on blending. Just continuing to add some more color and saturate the page a little bit more. Depending on the background of what comes out, what I see, I'll probably will get inspired to create something. So at this point, I still have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just having fun, you know, and sometimes when you're spontaneous that way and you just go with the flow, and some people, they're like, well, I messed it up. Well, don't give up on it. Keep on working on it. You never know. So I'm just going to add more colors to it to give it a different look, a different, I don't know, I just want to mix these colors to see how they mix, and they're mixing beautifully. I can't complain right now. So, yeah, have fun. Do what you love and love what you do. Remember that. And don't let anybody put you down or make you feel bad because of your art skills or lack of art skills. We weren't born with knowing how to draw. Some of us, you know, ever since we were little, we had that ability to create. But if you set your mind to it and you practice every day and do something new, there's a whole bunch of tutorials here on YouTube. I'm pretty sure you're going to learn. And the more you practice, the more you sharpen your skills. So it's just about skills and having fun, enjoy it, no matter what other people say. If it makes you happy, go for it. And don't let anybody steal your dreams of what you want to do or what you want to be in life. So that's just about it, I think. Let's see. By the way, I forgot to mention that this brush pen, water brush pen, also comes with the Craftgram brush pens. And let's create some art. Now I have an idea of what I want to do. And I'm going to do a flower. And you know that white section that you see right there to your right, that my hand's covering right now? That one? It looks like it's smoke. So I'm going to use that to my advantage, and I'm going to draw some beautiful, I'm going to try to draw a beautiful water lily, right? And have that coming out like from the middle of it. Make it look kind of mystic and pretty. I think we could make this look pretty. Depending on the way that you use the brush pen, on how much pressure you add to it, if you add a lot of pressure, your line is going to come out thick. If you apply just a little bit of pressure, your lines are going to come out thinner. That's very important. And a lot of people that don't know how to use this get frustrated. I got frustrated when I first started because I didn't know. But then I just kept on playing with it and trying different techniques and stuff like that. And I'm not a master at it, but I really like the way it's coming out. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. share this video with a friend or an art lover, somebody that likes to watch these things. I'll be putting up more drawings and tutorials and crafty stuff because I'm a crafty and creative person. So you could also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Just look me up. I use the same name, Cats for Your Eyes Only. So you'll find me in Facebook and Instagram. And here we go, just doing a little bit of more mixing. And I like the way this is coming out. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and check that out. Check my other stuff out. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And I got so busy and entertained doing this that I didn't realize that my iPad was low on the battery, so I'm sorry that leaf didn't come out. But there you go. That's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.